remember the password. 5449. No, nobody hear this, you know. 5448. No, that's annoying. 3 times now. 5447. Lord, I'm going to go 5440. Aha, that's my number. My treasure. Boy, it's so nice to see you. I don't see you in so long.
Wait! John! Madwhite. What is... Who now?
No, you can't look in here, Paul. No,
Who now?
I'm a treasure, Paul. You just can't come in here and look at it like that.
What? Where you get this from, my youth?
You know how I work on this, Paul. I'm my treasure.
So much people. How so much people like you, Madwhite? John, no. Yeah,
No, man, you can't have this.
Come on, man.
Madwhite.
Madwhite.
All right.
Madwhite.
What?
Walk and
No, don't say that, don't say that.
Well, share the treasure with me.
But I'm a treasure, Paul.
Fewy treasure. Look on all of the comments them where you get. The people them love your Madwhite.
I work hard for this, you know, Paul.
Yes, but hear me. Two of you are going to work hard on it. Make us share it.
I tell nobody's here, do you know?
Shh. Close up the treasure.